Hello everyone, you're here because you're not subscribed. That's why you're seeing this video. Last year we were celebrating 10,000 subscribers and we're now approaching 20,000. So really, how cool is that? So again this year, I'd like to thank all those that have supported this channel, and I want to give a great big warm welcome to all those that have recently subscribed over the last year. Hi, I'm Rick Michelle and this is Invincible Painting Basics. What I do here from my lifetime of painting experiences, I pass on bits of painting know-how and tips to the painting DIY, the ones looking for information on how to do certain things. And from the hundreds of questions that I receive, I think it's working. And after all, for me, that's what it's all about, helping people. From my very first how to paint video to the very latest tiny house build videos, you'll find an array of information on how to paint. Okay, I've got 45, 50 videos, and now my trials and tribulations and pitfalls on building a tiny house. And there's still more tips on painting to come also. Now, when it comes to actually producing a video, I've come a very, very long way with the ins and outs of actually making a video. And from here on out, I promise we won't have any of the issues I've had previously, particularly with the audio. That's where I struggled. Now, I'm sorry about that, but I can tell you it was a steep learning curve the first couple of years. Now, most of you know I don't do a weekly upload or anything like that, and it can go quite a fair while between videos, but I'm always thinking of what to do next. We now have the tiny build happening and have added that to the channel. We have lots of tips along the way with the tiny build, and I think one of the best things about a how-to channel, once subscribed, it can be used as a go-to library of knowledge. When you come to that point in your life, and you want to change that wall color or in your bedroom or, whatever. So consider subscribing, liking the videos that you think are deserving of a like, and click on the bell so you don't miss the very latest. Grab a cup of tea and get yourself acquainted with all my painting tips. Ask questions in the comment section, and I wish you all the very best on your upcoming painting endeavors. Again, thanks for all your support, and together, let's make the world a more colorful place. I know, too cheesy? Did you hear the one, painters do it with longer strokes? Or how about this one? Improve your sex life, roll with a painter. Did you hear about the 3 painters that walked into a bar?